Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record using two different applications, Zoom and a computer program called OBS Studio. Why might you want to do this? Well, you might want to do this if you are teaching virtually and you have a concept that you want to show students on a website. You might want to record a video for that and upload it to Sway or upload it to YouTube, to your specific YouTube channel. You might also just want to record yourself giving a presentation in order to see how it sounds. Either way, we're going to start with Zoom. The first thing you need to do is open Zoom, and then you are going to go to your settings, because this is a setting that is likely disabled by default. So you're going to, once in settings, you will hit View More Settings. It's going to open up a desktop a browser window, which is what you need. You're going to sign in. I sign in with our WQSB account using Google. Once there, you're going to find the in-meeting basic settings. Click that. And then you are going to look for the setting that says, let me find it here, disable desktop/screen share for users. This is by default enabled, but you want to toggle it off. That way you have access to screen sharing. Okay, so once that setting is done, all you're going to do is start a meeting, making sure that you join with audio and you share your screen. Okay, and the version that you are going to select is screen. This is going to capture everything on your screen, not only a specific window. You want everything to be captured just in case you move around through different windows. So you can see that I am recording everything because of the green rectangle around my entire screen. Now I want to make sure that my video is recorded. So to do that, when you want to record your screen, you're going to go up to the top under More. You will see that there is a record. Make sure that you're unmuted, obviously. And then you are recording, and you see the little recording feature here. So you are now recording. Once you stop recording, you will be finished with that video, and then you can find the file wherever it is. Now, if you're not sure where to find that file, you can do so by going into your settings. Once in your settings, you could go to the recording tab, and you will see this is the location for where your recording will be saved. You can change it or open it just so that you know where is it on your computer. So that's how to record with Zoom. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to screen record with OBS Studio. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. I'm showing this program in particular because it's open source, which means it's a full program, no ads, no watermarks, nothing like that. And it's pretty powerful. There's lots of different options that you can use and explore. So first thing you're going to do is navigate to their website, obsproject.com. I'll put a link in the description. You're going to download and you're going to open. So let's cut to that. So when you download, install, and open the software, you're going to see something that looks like this, which is pretty trippy but normal, right? This is what your video is capturing. You can see on the bottom right here, you have stop recording, start recording. I'm recording right now. You have different settings that you can access. And I'm going to explain basically what this means here. So your audio mixer, you can hit the settings bar to figure out where your microphone is being taken from and where your desktop audio is taken from. So the most basic thing that you need to do is choose which source you want to capture. In other words, there's different things that you can capture when you're recording, which is really nice. But to do that, you're going to look at sources. You're going to see this little plus button. and then you're going to press display capture because that's what you wanted to capture. Of course, if you wanted to capture things like a VLC video or a video that's being displayed or a game or an image slideshow, you have a whole bunch of options here. But for our purposes, for just displaying, you can hit display capture. That's going to show up in your scenes here. Next, you want to open your settings in the bottom right here. You can change in your audio where your microphone is coming from. In the mic auxiliary audio, you'll have different options depending on what is installed, what microphones exist in your computer. In your video options here, you can see that you can toggle different aspect ratios. If you're not familiar with them, don't worry about it. You don't have to touch anything if you don't want to. Under output, you can see that mine's blacked out because I'm currently recording, but you can change where you output your video. So if you want it to save to a specific spot, you can check this box, click browse, and you'll be able to do that there. Once you're ready, after that, you'll be able to record, and that's all there is to it. It's very, very simple. I always leave a few seconds after I hit record to just minimize the screen. That way you don't see this at the beginning, and I'll cut it out later when I'm editing. But that's a different video. Obviously, there's a whole bunch of different programs that you could choose from, different from OBS and different from Zoom. I just went with the ones that I feel are basic and easy. But go ahead and explore and let me know if you have any questions.